Hey friends, on today's episode, I have got an amazing chair makeover for my own kitchen. So stay tuned for the big reveal.
So I actually have a set of 4 chairs, but I'm only using 2, and I found these at an auction. I got them the set of 4 for like $150. It was insane, and so I just got busy stripping them down, trying to figure out, what do I wanna do with these chairs? Now, big surprise, this happens sometimes. There were like 3 layers of fabric on this chair, so someone had redone them several times, and it's quite messy cleaning them up, but, I did it, and I was able to get all the fabric off, and then I worked on getting everything off the seat. The springs were in really bad condition. So once I got it completely stripped down, which is always what I recommend before reupholstering, I decided the finish could use a little zhuzhing up. And so I cleaned it really well, but I also got out some gold paint and just did a little bit of touch ups. Then it was time to start building back the chair, but not before I started dreaming of fabric. And I found this amazing fabric by Sanderson. It's called Fusong Bird. I've got a blog with a link to the fabric, and I'll drop that below. And you've probably heard me say this before, but fabric placement is everything on chairs. It's what makes them so amazing. So I'm taking my time trying to figure out where I want to place these amazing flowers. Now, the good thing is I have 2 chairs to do. So I can switch around the scenes on the top and the backside and the seat to make them complement each other but not look exactly the same. That's what I love doing most. And here you can see the backside, which is what you'll see when you walk up to my table where these are going to be placed. And you can see how I did different fabric placement on both chairs to get the very best look. And I got to use all the fun flower scenes on it. It's what makes me truly excited. And now for the real reveal. So I'm walking through my living room. I'm going around to where my kitchen is, and you're going to see these 2 beautiful chairs and how they complete the kitchen. The one thing I didn't realize is that I had this great wallpaper and I had a wonderful settee, a beautiful chandelier by Stray Dog Designs. I had so many beautiful patterns, but I was lacking a hero fabric. So, a hero fabric is a fabric that is the busiest fabric in the room. It usually has a lot of different colors in it. It can be a floral, it can be an abstract, but it is the one that dominates the space. And that's truly what I was missing in my kitchen was the dominating pattern. I had a very busy wallpaper, but I still needed a hero fabric, and this one absolutely did it for me. It has the pink, it has the orange, and it has some greens. It has some blue in it. It even has some black in it, and it really does tie the entire space all together. When I design chairs, I'm usually thinking of the hero fabric first, but in this case, it came last, but it really did the job. So if you're ever wondering what could be wrong in a space, look around. Do you have all the graphic designs? Maybe you need a hero fabric.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of my chair makeover. I'm doing another ugly chair makeover for next week. So if you are interested in joining my ugly chair challenge, it starts this Wednesday and it runs through next Sunday. And it's all about chair design. I talk about how to pick the right chairs, how do you pick the right fabrics and where to look, how do you match it up with some paints, and how do you mix and match patterns. And so if you are interested in learning my technique for chair design, I'm going to drop the link below in the description. I hope you'll join me for my ugly chair challenge. Until next week, friends, I'm going to have a new episode for you, so stay tuned. I'll see you then. Bye.